Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Yes? All right. So, dear children, I'm Poonam Tripathi and I will take your GK. All right? So, I'll begin our today's class with a thought. And the thought is never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Okay? So, with this thought, I'll begin our today's class. Dear children, I'm on page number 16 and this is your chapter number 4. Okay, I hope you all have opened your GK book. Yes? Okay, we are on page number, yes? On which page number we are? We are on page number 16 and this is the chapter number 4 in good taste. Yes, every one of us, we like good, tasty, delicious food, isn't it? Do you like? I like. I think that you all like. Yes. So let's see what we are going to discuss today. Today we'll see different food. Okay. Let's start now. Tick the correct answer option. Okay. So we will do this exercise. Exercise A. Okay. What is the Spanish dish paella made up of? Made up of? All right. Now there are some more options here. So let's see. The first is rice, B is chicken, and the C is wheat. And the correct answer is A. That is rice. Okay. Option A is the correct one. And this is rice. Okay. All have done? Yes. Now let's see the next one. Which animal's meat is called venison? Right? Which animal's meat is called venison? And this is, options are buffalo. Okay, buffalo. B is deer. C is fish. Okay, what are the options? Buffalo. Second is deer. C is fish. And the correct answer is the B1. The correct answer is B1 and that is deer. Okay. Now let's see the third one. And this is, which ingredient do bakers use to make the bread rise? And the options are yeast, egg, baking powder. Okay. These are the three options. And the correct option is the first one, that is yeast. Okay. Third. And the correct option is the A1 and that is yeast. Okay. I hope all have done. Yes. Now let's move to the fourth one. Which bird is a common dish in France? And the options are, first is flamingo, second is ostrich, and the third one is duck. Okay. And here the correct answer is the C1 and this is duck. Okay. Now, let's do it. So, fourth one and the correct option is C and this is duck. Okay. Now, let's move to fifth one. Sponge, marble and bunt are types of which food item? And the options are, first is sandwich, B is cake and C is pizza. I think we all like these foods, isn't it? Do you like cake? Yes. Okay, here the correct option is B and that is cake. Okay, so fifth and here the correct option is cake. Okay, now let's see the sixth one. Which bread is used in the Middle Eastern cuisine? Right? And the options are garlic bread, banana bread and pita bread. So the correct option is the C1. Okay? And this is your pita bread. Okay. I hope everybody has done here. Yes? Now let's move to exercise B. match the following food. Okay, and this is match the following food items to the nutrient it provides. Now let's see the first picture. You can see here the picture. Yes, this is orange. This is orange, right? And what nutrients we get? And that is vitamin C. What we get? Vitamin C. So the option first, you have to match with vitamin C. Now the second is carrot. You can see this is a picture of carrot, right? And what we get from here? We get vitamin A. What we get? Vitamin A. So second option you have to match with vitamin A, right? Now third, you can see that this is dry fruits, almond and all, right? So what nutrients we get from this dry fruit, that is almond and all, what we get from here? And we get vitamin E. What we get? We get vitamin E, right? What we get? Vitamin E. Now fourth one, we can see that this is meat, flesh and all, right? So which nutrient we get from this? Yes, we get from here, what we get? We get vitamin B. Vitamin B we get from here, right? Now, okay? Alright. Now, this picture, I think you all know this, spinach. Yeah? What we, which nutrient we get from here? Yes? What we get? We get vitamin K. What we get? Vitamin K. Got it? So from orange, from the first picture, this is orange here. What we get from here? We get vitamin C. Right? From orange, what we get? We get vitamin C. And second picture is carrot. And which nutrient we get from here? We get vitamin A. Right? In the third picture, what is given? Dry fruits are given, right? And what we get from here? We get vitamin E. Fourth, what is given? This is meat, flesh, right? What we get from here? We get vitamin B. Now, fifth one is spinach. And which nutrients we get from here? Which nutrients which nutrient we get from spinach? And that is, what we get from here? We get vitamin K. Vitamin K. Okay? Alright. And students, I'll provide you the PDF of this chapter. Alright? Okay. Now let's see. Come to page number 17. Right? Come to page number 17. Okay? And what we will do now? We will do this exercise C. Okay? Are you ready now? Let's see. Oh wow, we can see pictures here, right? And these are the pictures of different food. Yes, and very delicious. Now let's see here. Identify the cuisine, yes, to which these dishes belong. Write the correct answer in the boxes. You can see here. We have to write the answer. And here help box is also given. Let's find out. The first picture is pasta, right? Okay, can you see this? Right. And this is Italian, right? This is Italian food. Pasta is Italian food. You have to see here. You have to write here D. You have to write here D. Pasta. You have to get the answer from this box. Okay. So pasta, this is your Italian food. The answer is D. Right. Now let's see the second one. The second one is sushi. Can you see? Second one is sushi. And this is, yeah. Which one is this now? Sushi. This is Japanese. Sushi, this is your Japanese item. Okay, Japanese food. Alright. Now let's see the third one. This is, you can see the picture here. This is chow mein. This is chow mein. And this food belongs to, this is Chinese food. Chowmein is Chinese food, right? So you have to write here C. You have to write here C. Chowmein is Chinese food, right? Now let's see the next one. 4. This is biryani. Wow, delicious. This is biryani, okay? So now, and this is Mughlai. You can see here, Mughlai, right? Now 5th one, we can see that this is nachos and salsa, right? And this is Mexican food. This is Mexican food, okay? I hope everybody has done this exercise. Done? Everybody has done this exercise here? Alright. Now let's move to D. Okay, now we'll do the D exercise here. Identify the desserts from their pictures and their place of origin. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay? Now let's see the first one. This picture is given here. Can you see this picture? Yes. This picture and Spain is given here. Now what we call, and this is given in the churros, right? What is the correct answer here for this picture? This is churros. Now the next one is, you can see this item, food item here, and turkey is given here, right? And what we call baklava. Students, have you marked the answer of second one? What is the answer of the second one? And this is baklava. Got it? Now, let's see the third picture. Can you see this picture here? Yes. And what is given here? What is the place of origin is? That is Belgium. That is Belgium, right? This is Belgium. Now, what is this dessert called as? It is your waffle. This is waffle. Okay. What is this picture known as? This is waffle. Okay. WAFFLE, waffle. Right? Now let's move to this fourth picture. Right? Let's move to this fourth picture, and this is the place of origin is France. What is the place of origin? This is France. Okay? Now, what this dessert is known as? It is known as macaron. This is known as macaron. Right? Now let's see here. This is macaron. Okay, macaron. Got it? I hope everybody, you have done this. Exercise D, yes. So till now we have done exercise A, B, C and D, right? Now let's see the next one. This is train your brain. Train your brain. Okay? So now let's see this. What is given here? Match the phrases to their meaning. Okay? The first one. As cool as cucumber. As cool as cucumber. Go, okay? So what is the answer here? And the answer is to be calm. To be calm. So the first answer is the C one. That is to be calm. Next is eat like a horse. Eat like a horse. That means to eat a lot. To eat a lot. Alright. So, what is the answer of the second one? This is D. To eat a lot. Okay. Now let's see the third one. This is have a sweet tooth. Have a sweet tooth. Third one. And what is the answer? This is to enjoy sweet food. Okay. To enjoy sweet food. Right. And the answer of the third one is B. To enjoy sweet food. Okay. Now let's see the fourth one. And this is a piece of cake. A piece of cake. And the answer is A part. And that is very easy to do. Right. When something is very easy, and you can quickly or easily crack it. So that is very easy to do, right? So the fourth answer is the A1. Okay, the fourth answer is the A1. I hope everybody has done. Yes? Alright. Now students, let's move to page number 18. Okay? We are on page number 18 now. Okay? And now we will do exercise E. What we are going to do? We are going to do exercise E now. Okay? Let's see. Read the clues and identify the state or union territory to which the following dishes belong. Find their names in the word. Great. Right? We have to find the answer from here. Okay? Now let's do it now. The first one. Tabak mas is a dish made from lamb ribs. It is popular in, the first one, it is popular in Jammu and Kashmir. So please mark this. Can you see this? Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir. Okay? Yes? This is the answer. This you have to mark down. Right? So the first answer is Jammu Kashmir. Okay? Jammu and Kashmir. Alright? Yes. Now the second one. Sarso da Saag. I think you know it very well. Sarso da Saag is made from mustard leaves and is popular in. Where it is popular? Yes, it is popular in Punjab. Okay? So the second answer is Punjab. Punjab. And where you will find it from here? This is here. Punjab. Right? It is given here. Punjab. Okay? Now, the third one. Avial is a curry made with vegetables, curd and coconut. It is eaten in where? Kerala. Okay? So the third answer is Kerala. Yeah. Yes, here the third answer is Kerala. Okay? And where you have to mark this? Here. Okay? This is Kerala. Kerala. Okay? Right. Now the fourth one. Tongue tap is dry fish paste or chutney from which place? This is Meghalaya. Okay? So the fourth answer is Meghalaya. Let's write down everyone and mark also. So we are on the fourth one and this is Meghalaya. Okay? Right. Now let's see the fifth one and this is Dabli is a snack made with boiled potatoes, spices and tamarind paste. It is popular in Gujarat. Okay? Alright? This is popular in Gujarat. Gujarat. Right? Okay. And where you have to get this answer? It is here. Gujarat. Okay, students? Now, let's see the next one. Thekwa is a sweet snack made from wheat flour and jaggery. It is popular in Bihar. Okay? So, the sixth answer is Bihar. Bihar. Okay? And it is given here. Bihar. Okay? So students, with this we have finished this chapter, right? What we have done exercise A, exercise B, C, D, then train your brain and exercise E. Right? I hope you understood this chapter as well as you have done all the exercises. Right? What you have to do? You have to go through this exercise very well. You have to learn it. Right? And for this, what you have to do? You have to revise, and then only you can learn it. Okay? So students, with this, I would like to end our today's class. Right? So stay home, stay safe. Okay? And thanks for watching.